Class 6, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers, Exercise 1.1, second task. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Sub-question A. Given that 73,75,307, we need to write these words into numerals. So to write these numerals, first we have to understand the place values. So for this, ones, tens, hundreds. In Indian system, after 3 digits, we have to give the comma. Then later 2 digits, thousands, 10,000s, comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. So this is Indian system place value chart. So ones, tens, hundred, these are 3 digits. These are 3 digits. And then later we have to place the comma here. Then next there are 2 digits. And then here also 2 digits. Lakhs also 2 digits. And this crore also 2 digits. So in this, what we have to do? Firstly, they are given 73 lakh. So it is 2 digits, 73 lakh. So it is in lakh we have to go 73. So it is also 2 digits. So here we have to write the 73. And then comma is there, comma. So next 75,000. 75,000. This is also 2 digits. So fully we will write 75,000. After 2 digit comma is there. So we will place the comma. Then 307. So that is 100 place how much is there? 3. In 1's place how much is there? 7. So 307, here 10's place nothing is there, so that will be 0. So this is our required answer, 73,75,307. First we have to place the comma after 3 digits, then 2 digits. So our answer will be 73,75,307. Thank you. Similarly, second task, place commas correctly and write the numerals. So that is B question. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So first, to write answer, we will write the place values here. Ones, tens, hundreds, then comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. So we know that this is unit place values will be 3 digits and 1000 place values will be 2 digits. Lakh place values will be 2 digits, as well as crore place values will be 2 digits. So this is very important to understand the things. So 9 crore, 5 lakh 41. So 9 crore is there. So this is 2 digits. So 9 crore, how we can write? So how can we write? So we can write it as a 9 crore. We can write it as a 0, 9, because this is 2 digits. And then comma is there, comma. 9 crore 5 lakh. So lakh is also how many digits? 2 digits. So this is also 5 lakh is there. So we have to write it as a 0, 5. So this is 5 lakh, comma is there, comma 41, there is no thousands, so we have to write it as a 0 0, then comma 41 is there, so there is no 100 place also, so this is also 0, so 4 1 41, tens place will be 1 and ones place will be, tens place will be 4 and ones place will be 1. So this is answer 9 crore 5 lakh 41. How we can write this one? 9 crore 5 lakh 41. This is the final answer. Thank you. Now question C. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So for this, same we will write place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore and 10 crore. So we know that, so this is ones place will be 3 digits, unit places will be 3 digits, thousand places will be 2 digits, 2 digit numerals 2 digits, and lakh place values will be 2 digits. Similarly, crore also 2 digits. So now, what is given? 7 crore 52 lakhs. 7 crore. So 7 crore. How can we write? We cannot write it as a 7 here. We have to write 7 crore. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So how we can write? 2 digits are there. 7 crore. How we can write? 0, 7. And then comma is there, comma. 52 lakh. 52 lakh. So this is 2 digits. So directly we can write it as a 52 lakh. Then comma is there, comma. 52 lakh. 21,000. 21,000. 21 is 2 digits. So directly we can write it as a 21 and then comma 21,000, 1000 place 302. 302. So 100 place will be 3. Unit place will be 1's place will be 2. There is no tens place, so it will be 0. So this is 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. So how we can write? 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. This will be the final answer. So next question D, it is based on international system. So we'll solve this. In international system, place value ones, tens, hundreds. After every 3 digit, there will be comma. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, then comma, million, 10 million, 100 million. This is international place value chart. So in this, we know that after every 3 digits we have to place the comma for international place value. So now we'll understand 58 million, 58 million. But we know that here we'll understand these all are 3 digits. Unit place will be 3 digits. Thousands place also 3 digits. as well as million place is also 3 digits. Now we'll write 58 million. 58 million. So 58 is 2 digit. 58 is 2 digit. So 100 million will be 0, 58, 2 digit. But we have to write in 3 digits. So 0, 5, 8. Then comma is there, comma. So 58 million is over 423,000. 1000 place how much is there? 3 digits are there. What is that? 423,000. 423,000. So 423,000. So this is in 1000 digit. Thousands place 3 digits are there. So that is 423,000. 202. So 202. 100 place how much is there? 2. Tens place 0. 202. So ones place 2. This is according to international place value. So this answer will be 58,423,202. 202. So next question, E. So it is also based on Indian system. So you'll understand how to write numerals. 23,30,010. 23,30,010. So firstly, we'll write the Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. So there we know that unit place will be 3 digits as I said before, and then next 1000 will be 2 digits, lakh 2 digits, as well as crores 2 digits. So now we'll understand this question. 23 lakh. So there is no crore, so no need to write, that will be 0, 0. There no crore value, so it will be 0, 0. Lakh, 23 lakh. So 23 is the 2 digits, so we can write it as a tens place as 10 lakh place 2 and lakh place will be 3. So 23 lakh, comma is there, comma, for 23 lakh 30,010. 30,000. So how much is there? 30. 1000 place how much is there? 30. So 30. 30,010. So tens place will be 1. 100 place, there is nothing is there in 100 place, so it will be 0. 10. So tens place will be 1 and ones place will be 0. So the answer is 23 lakh 30,010. This is the final answer. Thank you.